Hello. I want to go into the player character. I want to add toggle view back. It looks like this is sort of independent. So let me see toggle view. I want to get this. I want to put this over here. Get toggle view and reset this up like the way it was. Let's see if this works now. Let's try toggle view. Okay. Let's go into the first person animation blueprint. Let's go to idle. And actually, let's go to, I want to go to the blend space for sprint. Go into the blend space for jog. It's up to 270. I want to make it up to 1500. And then drag all of them forward so that they are to scale. Let me test this. Okay. I want a walk state. Make it walk. Idle to walk. Walk to sprint. Sprint to walk. Walk to idle. Walk to shoot. Shoot to walk. Let's just do walk to the basic ones. Idle to walk. Is speed. I can get is moving. Right? This is the player character. Oh, this is player character. Okay. Speed. We can go. It's speed greater than 0. Control C. Walk to sprint. Walk to sprint. Sprinting. Sprint to walk is not sprinting. And speed is greater than 0. Not Boolean. And Boolean. Walk to idle. Walk to idle is not move. Speed greater than 0. If it's not, walk to shoot. Is shooting. Is fire weapon. Shoot to walk. Is firing weapon false. Not Boolean. It also is speed greater than 0. And Boolean. Okay, let's try this. I didn't set the animation for walk. Let's get it out of idle. Let's get this enum out of idle. Get walk. Let's get our idle animations. Put these in walk. Let's get BS jog. Plug the direction and speed into it. Get layered blend per bone. Let's get it at spine 01. Blend depth is 1. I want 3 of these total. Let's try this. I want to not play these. I want to see this. Layered blend per bone. Okay, so the animation's a little off. If we go to our walk animation, if we get a transform modify bone, at about, what do you think? I suppose here, let's get transform modify bone. I want it on the rifle right now. Rifle. I want to get rotation, add to existing. Bone to modify, spine 01, compile. Say I want speed, I want to simulate it. Okay, 900. And then I rotate this to be somewhere more forward. I doesn't want to do that. Rotation. Okay, so we'll cut this out. So it works for that, but it plays the top half. So on layered blend per bone, this again. I want to get iron rifle, iron sights, at spine. Let me think. Let me see this blend space again. What do we do? walk. Let's let's go to the player character. In the mesh, let's add a mesh as the female. It's using our animation. It's using an animation asset. Let's change the blueprint. Our blueprint. Let's go to the player character mesh, and that we have named player character mesh. Let's use assault rifle asset, idle rifle, iron sights. Let's do that for now. Let's go into player character and BP. Let's duplicate it. Player character FPS and BP. Let me get that. It should be the same thing. I want to go to the player character. I want to use this animation blueprint. FPS and a BP. They look the same. They're overlapping. But really there's two here. I don't want to have a walk animation in the first person. Everything else is fine. So I want to go to player character. I want to go to mesh. I want to say C. Type C in details in the search bar. Mesh. I set this one to owner no C, and then I set player character mesh to only owner C. Okay, so still finding it. Let me see. And BP. Did I set this correctly? Mesh. Player character. FPS and BP. Mesh should use player character and BP. Player character FPS idle. Okay. Try this again. Oh, there it goes back. Let me see it now. We go into NBP, the original one we were using. If we get right, this is for walk, idle to walk, and then I would want that to be seen by the player. So I'd want to actually just have. So let's think. C. I don't know. C. Mesh. Um. When I reload. No, when I go to. Okay, so this can be. Let me go into event graph. Let me get toggle view. I want to get the player character mesh and set hidden in game. Set hidden in game. I want to say hidden. Hide the player character mesh when CPS is active, and hide the mesh when FPS is active. And then unhide the other ones. Unhide the first person mesh when I switch to the first person. Unhide the third person mesh when I switch to the third person. Let's see if this works. This would be cool. Let's see. Third person hidden. Let me see. This is for third person. This is for first person. See what happens. Okay, at first I want to set this to be owner C. Actually, I don't want to set that because I'm not unchecking that. I want to set hidden. Very hidden in game. Okay, that works. Good job. We did it. We're the best, guys. Okay, thanks for watching. So to go recap, we kind of set them hidden like that. I think we got that. I think you can grasp that. Let's delete some of our work. And player character, we have anim BP now. We have FPS anim BP. FPS is the same. There's no walk animation. This one we added walk. So now there's a walk animation. There's two meshes. There's the third person mesh. There's the first person mesh. We alternate between them and they use different animations. Yep, pretty cool. Video games are awesome. Thanks again, Epic. Thanks again, everybody. See you in the next episode.